How do we interact with each other at Utrecht University? You interact differently with different people. With your parents, differently than with your friends. And with your colleagues, differently than with your teammates. Your attendance at Utrecht University is important. No matter how useful digital resources are, the best way to learn is to be together in tutorials and lectures. And we don't just mean physically. Your mental presence is important too. Prepare for your lectures. Be actively involved. Because your enthusiasm will give others energy as well. When activities are organised, for example by fellow students, please clearly sign up or cancel. This will benefit everyone. We treat each other with respect, both in the lecture hall and anywhere else. Be open and polite in your interactions with lecturers, peers, and other Utrecht University employees. And be patient if a response takes longer than expected. Discuss with each other based on content and always be open to other perspectives. By listening to each other's opinions and giving constructive feedback, you broaden your mind. Want to find out more about your role as a student at Utrecht University? Visit our website for more information.